Hello guys, welcome to Chop on Naija Kitchen. So very much your host Wumi. So today I have some grapes in the house, and for those of you who have probably seen a previous episode, SM Grace has actually been here before. You're most welcome, SM Grace.
Thank you.
So last time she came around, she actually prepared a
Cocoa
for us, and it was a very wonderful, spectacular delicacy indeed. So today I will allow her to actually tell us about herself, a brief intro, and of course you also get to tell us what exactly it is you're preparing today, so that the audience can actually get acquainted with your face and with, of course, the wonderful meal you're preparing today.
Thank you very much. I'm so glad to be here again. My name is SM Grace, and I'm a caterer. Gracious Catering. We're into catering, indoor and outdoor, food production and packaging, drinks, snacks. So we could actually make your party a very remarkable one. So that's what we do. Then now today, what we are doing today, I'm just going to prepare unripe plantain porridge for everyone today. This is unripe plantain, and then with the ingredients attached to it that I'm going to make use of. Like, I have my plantain, unripe plantain, very unripe one. It's very hard, and then the color can actually show that it's not ripe. So you know. And then we have, I'm going to make use of blended pepper and onions.
Okay.
Then I have my seasoning cube. I have my chopped onions. I have this scent leaf. Ephedrine, can actually call it ephedrine. This is my blended crayfish, my salt to taste. This is vegetable leaf. You can call it ugu.
Okay.
Normally called ugu. Then this is my red oil, and of course I'm making use of smoked fish. You can make use of anything to cook yours, but I just decided to make use of the smoked fish.
Okay.
Any smoked fish can go. So that's what we're going to make use of. Just a very simple but very, very delicious meal.
Not simple. You can start the cooking process.
Yes, so that's it.
Okay,
so what we're going to do, I'm going to wash my hands, start it. So this is what I'm going to do, just to peel it off. Try to peel it off gently. And then you make use of your knife to peel out the ones, this.
Okay.
Just want to add my salt.
Okay, so you add some salt to the water.
To the water.
Oh, you're adding stock cubes too, so what's the essence?
Just flavor, just the way I just want to.
Okay, then you add the onions.
Yeah. Anyway, it also produces other flavor, so we can actually add our.
Okay, so what are you adding now?
I'm adding the unripe plantain.
Wow, the unripe plantain goes in.
Yeah. So
that is a bit.
I want to add my
Pepper. Okay. And then the fish.
And I'm going to add my chopped onions. So my seasoning cube.
Okay. Okay.
We already added salt to the water, so you have to be very careful with it. To cover it, allow it to cook.
For a while. So all that comes with
shortly. This is what we have. So we're gonna pour the vegetable. Okay. So we'll add many fish so that we'll not have it.
Okay.
Just cover it for like 2 minutes and then just allow the vegetable to steam. So you see, steam. So can turn. Just look. Let's up my.
Finally. After sitting on the table for so
long.
As you can see, the plantain porridge is actually ready. All thanks to
Grace.
And of course, to actually taste of this wonderful delicacy, I'm going to invite someone on set to come taste it. Well, Property Madam. Well, that's actually my brand name. You're most welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, so this wonderful delicacy is known as plantain porridge, and it was prepared by our wonderful cook today, Grace. Okay. So I'd like you to taste it and tell us what you think.
From the look, it's very inviting.
Of course it does.
I can't wait to test this.
So what do you think?
This is yummy.
Wow.
Beautiful. This is very nice. I really like this. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So I'm sure you've actually learned how to prepare this because we showed you the whole process from start to finish. It's been nice actually being on the program on set today. I enjoyed every bit of it. So in case you're actually watching for the first time or just tuning in, you can actually rate and subscribe to our social media handles. YouTube handle, of course, is Chop4Naija TV. Other platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram is Chop4Naija. And of course, our website is www.chop4naija.tv. Till I come your way next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.